Hello everyone, it's me, Wendy. Today I'm reviewing and testing the Smith Corona SL575 Electric Typewriter. I just bought it from the Goodwill, and I plugged it in over there, and it turned on, but I didn't have any paper, so I don't know if it actually works. But it came with everything. Such as, like, if I can show you. See if I can get a good view of yeah, let me angle the camera a little bit so you can see the inside. Here's the tape. You take it out by just doing this. This is the tape that you use, if I can get that on the camera, that you use to actually, to actually put the letters on the page. So this will be the ink tape. It should work. I winded it. It doesn't look too dry, but I'll only know if it actually prints if it actually types anything out. And then we have the correction tape. It's not like the kind you use, like the whiteout. I thought it would be white, and I've seen some typewriters where the inside of it, where the tape on the correction tape is just white, but this looks like it's like clear, and it's, I can't wind it back, but it's clear, and it looks like, I guess just the ink is just picked up by this. So I guess the ink just gets stuck to this instead of it actually getting corrected. Hold on, I gotta. So here's the user manual. I think you can see it, right? Yeah. It's in pretty good condition. So I already figured out how to load it and everything. It looks like there's supposed to be some sort of release the rubber if unless it can remove the restraint cord. Yeah, there's some sort of carrier lock located on the right side, carrier pushing down release tab with some force. Refer to the typewriter diagram. So it says to lift the lid to get started. I've already done that. And then it says release the rubber band. The rubber band's in the box, so someone had already taken this out. And then it says disengage the carrier lock located on the right side of the carrier by pushing down on the release tab with some force, which is, I think you can see it if I zoom in. See that little white tab right there. I think you can see it. It's all the way underneath it. So it says to push down on it. It says disengage the lock on the right side of the carrier with some force, which is locking tab, release tab. There we go. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So this one locks it. That disengages it. At least I hope so. Wait, locking tab. Oh no, I'm wrong. Okay, so this locks it by pushing it down. That releases the lock. So that way you're not typing it by accident. Or, you have a kid or a cat, they walk over the keyboard and you know what it is. So now it says move the carrier to the left of the end of the machine. Yep. Over the rubber band. Close it securely or unit will function snap in place. And that's pretty much it. So let's see here. Now give me a moment. Let me plug it in so we can demo test it. Okay, I've got it plugged in. This is the moment of truth. I'm really gonna like this. I feel like I've tested it earlier and I like the way it sounds, but I think first, before you turn it on, secure the carrier when you transfer your. So all we do to load the paper is we lift this little tab up, and there's little nubs right on these ends right here where the paper's going to go. I'm sure all it uses is just this kind of paper, and we just actually, I don't know. I'm not really sure, because this is just a regular piece of copy paper, but it looks like in here it uses really large sheets. And it doesn't say to center or straighten the paper, pull the paper release. Okay, well, I feel like it's supposed to go here, but I know it's not right. This is weird. Hold on, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Oh, here we go. There's lines. Okay, well, give me a minute. This is really confusing. I haven't done any of this yet. Hold it. Then depress and hold the code key while pressing the Z key. Release both. Caps lock. While it's pressing the Z. Wait, hold on. Code. Hold code. There we go. How you doing? That's really awesome. I love it. That's really loud though. And okay, now we're back on the stand, or on the tripod. So now you guys can see it. So if I press paper in and code, your paper will automatically advances and stops when the taping line is appropriately 1 inch from the top of the page. That's not right. Oh, you know what? Because I think it's going to come out this side. That's technically the top and it's going to be upside down. Yeah, that's the top. Hold on, give me one. And the paper fell out. What the heck? Hold on. That's my fault. I think all you have to do is... There we go. Then you close it. Okay, there we go. I'm sorry. I was so confused. Okay. I'm learning from this. But okay. Now I think all I can do now, so now the paper is set up. It should be. It's on the line. I can demo it. And the demo mode is... It says activate the self-demonstration program. It's going to my most popular feature. So you do code button plus Z, which is demo. Or do I have to hold it? Then depress and hold the code key while pressing the Z key. Release both. Caps lock. While it's pressing the Z. Wait, hold on. Code. Hold code. There we go. Let me zoom in. Show you this. So it does work. I'm surprised. I thought it would have been really bad. I don't like... Wait, hold on, let me get a light on this. Let me use my lamp. Turn it towards the light because I think the camera's having an issue. Yeah, you can see it now. It says... Well, I mean, I'm recording on a very old camera, so... But, I mean, it works. It's just really freaking loud, but that's good. I love that. That's pretty much it. I mean, well, give me a moment. Let me type out some stuff. Okay. Now I'm going to type out stuff, so paper's already lined up. Let me just give myself a little bit of room. And I'm going to test out the correction tape to see if it actually works. Hello world, period. And then return should be yes. I don't know why I did that. So I guess pressing return continues the program. I didn't know it did that. Now I think if I press Okay, pressing return stops it. So let me... Shift, code plus, wait, hold on. I'm trying to remember that I get to go back. Shift plus, wait, tab. I'm really bad at this. Hold on. So I'm just pushing buttons. It's not like type. It's kind of like typing on a keyboard. So, code plus. Yeah. There. Okay. Set itself back up. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to try to correct. I want to try to correct one of the words. So let's see. Word eraser. And backspace literally goes letter by letter, and it's all working. So let's see. Word eraser. It's weird. I want to see how to use the correcting tape. Give me a moment. So all you're going to do is just line up the character by either pressing backspace or shift. Just manually do it, and then press correct. It'll do it automatically if it senses that a word is wrong. If you type it in wrong, it'll literally stop you from continuing. So if I press correct, that didn't do anything. And a piece of my desk just fell. What the? I'm gonna glue that. What the hell? Oh, sorry. Everything's going really wrong. Erasing characters with correction key. It says position print amateur incorrect character, then correct. Type correction. Oh, okay. That or I have it on the wrong line? Hold on, give me a moment. Shift and that or the I think the eraser thing might be not good. Let's try the line eraser. So we press backspace, or the entire line is erased and the character rests on the last erased character, so it'll go all the way back. We press code plus S. It's code plus wait. Oh no, code plus word eraser. So that's this one. Wait, hold on. Code plus. That or the tape doesn't work because I'm erasing it. Yeah, it's not punching it, which I think is weird. I'll have to look at it. But other than that, I mean, let's take this out. I think if I press code plus, or there we go. Let's take out our paper. I'll hold it up. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I'm sorry if this video was really bad. That's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next YouTube video.